Hey, Squeaky. Hi, buddy. You get enough peanuts? Where'd you go? Yes. Oh, you're welcome. You guys enjoy those. And you too. Find a good hiding place. Never forget that Christmas. I sat up the whole night crying because daddy felt like a bum. See, daddy had a job, but his job was to keep the food on the table for you and mom. And at the time, every house that we lived in either kept getting broken into and robbed or shot up on the block. And your mom was saving money. I won't tell anybody where you're hiding. All right.